Houston, Texas has suffered a major blow in the past few weeks from a problem which is called the Hurricane Harvey. If you watched the images of Hurricane Harvey from afar, and thank goodness it wasn't happening to you, scientists say you might be feeling a little too relaxed. Powerful storms are hitting the U.S. more often and not just in Hurricane Alley. If global warming gets worse, scientists expect the frequency of once extreme rainfall events to keep rising even in regions where overall rainfall could decrease, like the Southwest. The planet has warmed by nearly 2 degrees since the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, which translates to about 6% more moisture in the atmosphere, said Michael Wenner, a climate scientist at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory's Computational Research Division in California. The link between a warmer climate and heavier downpours is straightforward. Hotter air can hold more moisture, meaning there's more water available for storms to wring out of the atmosphere. Several lives are being affected whilst this unfortunate incident is happening. A lot of high-profile celebrities have also begun to donate so as to help people who have had a great loss, to recover no matter how little it is. Notably, American comedian Kevin Hart and musician Chris Brown took it public, stating specifically the amount they donated while also calling on other big names in the society. Everyone is also permitted to donate, as a link has been dropped in the description below. You never know, you could save a life. We endeavor everyone to help in whatever way they can, be it through money or prayers. Regardless of your religion.